Good morning, it's Monday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 80. Pour the coffee, reboot the thing that says it does not need rebooting, and let's look at what the internet dragged onto the porch overnight. First up, Claude is rolling out identity verification. And boy, nothing says future of artificial intelligence like a robot asking to see your license before it helps you rewrite an email. Anthropic says this is about trust and abuse prevention, which makes sense, but it also feels like the bouncer at a nightclub where everyone is wearing a prompt injection as a fake mustache. Okay, that's something. Second, a former worker is asking whether the old job only existed because of fraud, and that is the kind of career reflection that makes LinkedIn inspirational quotes curl up under the desk. The story is less about one weird workplace and more about how entire business processes can become theater if nobody wants to check whether the numbers are real. Somewhere a spreadsheet just put on sunglasses and walks slowly away from an audit. Third, Sandi Metz's classic argument to prefer duplication over the wrong abstraction is back on Hacker News, because developers apparently need this reminder every 7 business days. The idea is simple. Copy-pasting a little code can be cheaper than building a majestic shared framework that later becomes a haunted mansion full of boolean flags. Microsoft would call that a platform strategy, but the rest of us call it Tuesday. And finally, Apertus is pitching an open foundation model for sovereign AI, which is a fancy way of saying countries and institutions would like powerful models without handing every secret to the same 3 cloud landlords. Open models keep looking less like hobby projects and more like infrastructure, especially when privacy, language, and local control matter. If this keeps up, the phrase national AI stack might actually escape conference panels and become a procurement headache. That's your Daily Bite. Have a great day. Until next time.